Hello guys, welcome to Reportech. Let's go and see what's happening in tech world today. First news is about Gemini. Google will soon start letting kids under 13 use its Gemini chatbot. It can be very good news and also bad news. Why good news? Because it is very good for kids. They will have very good experience about technology. They will learn too many good things about word, AI, and technology, and it improves their relationship with technology. But it's also bad if they use it to solve their questions, homeworks, school homeworks, word problems, mathematics, logic, something like that. Because in this way, they don't train their brain will be very passive in future. So I hope that Google will think about it and maybe put some limits for them, ask questions to give them too many good information, not their homework. So it will be very interesting. We should wait and see how will be Gemini for kids. Next news is about Apple and Antropic. They will be partner to build an AI coding platform together. Antropic is very good, active and big and futuristic AI-based company, and I'm sure that you will hear their brand and name more and more, and in future they will be one of the best AI-based companies. And also they have one AI assistant program which I spoke about it too much. That name is Claude, and you can also install it for your smartphones, Apple or Android phones. It's okay. It's very good about deep thinking, about solving problems, logic, and mathematics. Very good. So at the moment, they are working with Apple to build very good space for coding for programmers, which will help them with AI, correct their mistakes, make them clean codes, and I think it will be very good and very helpful for programmers. So if you're a programmer, it's very good news for you guys. Uber changed their partnership, and they will start their new project, self-driving cars or self-driving taxis, with one Chinese company, which name is Moment. And it's really interesting and also weird because after new tariffs, all companies try to be choose China, and they will work together, but not for USA. I think it's for Europe and Asia, and it's really interesting. Really interesting. We will see new taxes, self-driving taxes in the world. Very interesting. Okay, let's go. Amazon CEO says 100,000 users now have Alexa Plus. They say it in good way, but I think that it is not very good achievement. After 1 month, they just have 100,000. For Amazon, this number is not much. For me, it is much, but for Amazon, not. And it has one good and big reason. Because we had this news before, they will share all of your information with their database to train their AI assistant. That means you have one gadget at your home, look like a spy. It will collect everything, every sound, every conversation, and send them to their data center. So too many people left. Too many people canceled their subscription, and just at the moment, he said that 100,000 for Amazon. It is really bad. Too many people are leaving, and too many people don't update it. So I think that they should change their privacy system, because in this way they will they will not have very good achievement with this new system, new update with AI. Another good news. Antropic lets user connect more apps to Claude. As I said before, they are very active. They try to work more and more. And now they invite other companies which have their application to connect their API database with Claude. In this way, both of them can have good profit because that application will use our AI assistant, that which is Claude, and Claude also will have that information to train itself. So it's really interesting, and I think that their API is at moment open source. All people, all programmers can use of them to make one AI-based application. Next news is about Sam Altman and Elon Musk are racing to build an everything app. So it's really interesting, guys. I will have one video to explain you what is everything app and what is AGI. Artificial General Intelligence. It's different between ChatGPT or Gemini. It is not same. Artificial General Intelligence will be look like human. Not about emotional things, but about thinking, about deciding, about what is good, what is bad, about knowing you, about judging you, will be look like a real human. So AGI and AI are different. And at the moment, Elon Musk and Sam Altman are competing together to make AGI. That means one assistant, not AI assistant, AGI assistant, will look like a human. I will have one video and explain everything to you about it. So, Android next big feature turns your phone into a desktop. It's interesting because Google and their pixels will have this feature, and why it is interesting, because it is not new. I think it is more than 4 or 5 years that Samsung gives this feature to their user, which name is Samsung DeX. That means if you connect your phone to, for example, one monitor, not just casting, not just showing your screen. For example, at the moment, I'm doing casting. I'm showing my screen to you. But no, you will have two screens. One of them will be look like a computer. So DeX is near 4 or 5 or maybe more years that they are working on this system. And if you have S series and old version of N series of Samsung, you can connect your computer, a smartphone to television. At the moment, it's computer for Google. They are connecting their television, their smartphone to television, and you will have a new experience, and you don't need to have computer. It will be look like a computer, look like a desktop. Really interesting. So after new tariffs, and after that USA put some tariffs and rules to blocking ways send any AI chipset to China, and I told you guys it's not a very big problem for China, and Nvidia was very angry about it. At the moment, Huawei, which is one Chinese company, is working on AI chipset to change the game, and maybe in future they will be very, very serious competitor with Nvidia, because China will invest on them to replace them with Nvidia because of new tariffs. So we will wait for Huawei's new chipset, AI chipsets, and I'm sure that it will be very powerful. Google is making TV and movie And their goal is showing people technology is not scary. It's friendly. They will be look like Netflix. Also, we'll have some movies and also one platform which name is 100 zeros. 1000 yes, it's 100 zeros. So it will be interesting. We should wait and see. We saw about Apple, Netflix, and too many companies that now it is Google's turn. Anthropic launched a program to support scientific research. Guys, again, and they are investing in any research, any universities, anywhere. They are working on AI. You can work with Anthropic and they will help you about equipment, about system, about investing. I don't know how you should prove it that you are working and how you should be accepted, but they said that we will support and we will invest on anyone who wants to work on AI. Skype shut down. Bad news for you if you are a Skype user. Yesterday, Skype shut it down forever after 20 years. So it's sad news. I don't like to share this kind of news, any application, any system, any business being closed. But unfortunately, Skype couldn't be a good competitor with Zoom and FaceTime, and they closed it. We say goodbye with this bad news, and but I hope for you very good day, good night, and fantastic day. Have a good day. Please write in comment bar what do you think about today's news. Please like my video and share it with your friends. See you very soon. Bye bye.